Hi everyone! Sa video ito, talakayin natin kung paano hanapin yung equation ng parabola given some conditions. Okay, so before we proceed, let's review the formulas. Okay, if the parabola opens upward, we use the formula x minus h, quantity squared is equal to 4c y minus k. If opens downward, x minus h quantity squared equals to negative 4c y minus k. If the parabola opens to the right, we use the formula y minus k quantity squared is equal to 4c times x minus h. And opens to the left, we use the formula y minus k quantity squared equals to negative 4c x minus h. So we're going to use these formulas in finding the equation of the parabola. Okay, so in determining or in finding the equation of the parabola, always determine, okay, the opening of the parabola, the vertex, and the value of c or the focal length, because we're going to use this to find the equation of the parabola. We need to determine the opening of the parabola so that we know what formula or appropriate formula we're going to use. Okay, so example number 1, the focus of the parabola at negative 2, negative 5, and the directrix x is equal to 6. So let's plot the focus, negative 2, negative 5. So this is the focus, negative 2, negative 5, and the directrix is x is equal to 6. Okay, so this is our directrix, x is equal to 6. So this is the focus, and this is the directrix, the fixed point and the fixed line. Always remember the midpoint or the point between the focus and the directrix is the vertex. Okay, so the vertex is located here. So, midpoint po nila palagi yung vertex, yung focus at directrix. So, this is our vertex. So, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so this is the midpoint between the focus and the directrix. So, what's the ordered pair of the vertex? That is 2, negative 5. Okay, and the vertex, the opening. The vertex is 2, negative 5. And the opening of the parabola, that is opens to the left. Why opens to the left? So the vertex is located here and its focus is located here. Therefore, the parabola is opens to the left. So the focus is on the left side of the vertex. So the opening is opens to the to the left. So since opens to the left, we're going to use the formula x minus, y minus k quantity squared equals to negative 4c x minus h. Okay? So we need to determine also the value of c. When we say value of c, that is the focal length. So this is our vertex and this is our focus. How far the focus from the vertex? That is the focal length. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 unit. So C is equal to 4. So since we already determined the vertex, the value of C, and the formula that we are going to use, let's substitute now the value of HK. So in the vertex, that is our HK. So our H here is 2 and K is negative 5. Okay, so substitute. So the equation will become Y minus negative 5 quantity squared equals to negative 4, C, the value of C is 4, X minus 2. Okay, so H is equal to 2. So H will become 2. K is negative 5. That's why K here is negative 5. So let's simplify. So this will become positive minus negative, that is plus. Y plus 5 quantity squared equals to negative 16x minus 2. So this is now the equation of the parabola that satisfies to this given condition. Okay, let's proceed to example number 2. Find the equation of the parabola with focus at 0, -2, and the directrix is y is equal to 6. So let's plot first the given. The given focus is 0, -2, located at 0, -2. So here, that is our focus, 0, -2. And the directrix is y is equal to 6. Y equals, that is a horizontal line. So we're going to draw a horizontal line here at y is equal to 6. Y is equal to 6. So that is the directrix, and we have the focus here. So we can determine the vertex at the midpoint. So but before that, okay, so we're going to determine the opening, the vertex, and the value of C. So what is the opening of the parabola? Since the directrix is located here and the focus is here, therefore, the parabola is opens downward. Okay? Okay, downward. So what is the vertex? So the vertex is the midpoint between the directrix and the focus. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8 from focus to directrix. So the midpoint, 1, 2, 3, 4. So let's divide 8 by 2. So the vertex is located here. Okay. So what is the ordered pair of the vertex? 0, 2. So that is our HK. And how about the value of C? So the value of C is the focal length. That is the distance of the focus to the vertex. So how many unit? 1, 2, 3, 4. So the value of C is 4. So the opening of the parabola is downward. So what formula are we going to use? Opens downward. So that is x minus h quantity squared equals to negative 4c y minus k. Then let's substitute now the given. So our hk and the value of c in the formula. So the equation will become x minus h is 0, quantity squared equals to negative 4 times 4. The value of c is 4. Y minus k is 2. So 0, our h. K is equal to 2. Okay, so let's simplify. So x minus 0, that is x. So that is x squared. Negative 4 times 4, that is 6, negative 16. Y minus 2. So this is now the equation of the parabola that opens downward. Okay, next, number 3. Find the equation of the parabola. The vertex is 4, 2, and the latus rectum is equal to 6, opens to the right. Okay, so let's plot the given. The vertex is located at 4, 2, 4, 2. So here, so the vertex is here, 4, 2. And the latus rectum is 6, that opens to the right. So the vertex, opens to the right, and the latus rectum is 6. Okay? Opens to the right. So that's the opening. Opening of the parabola, right? Opens to the right. So we're going to use the formula y minus k quantity squared equals to positive 4c x minus h. Okay. Then determine also the vertex. Since the vertex is already given for 2 and the value of c. Do we need to find the value of c? The given is already the given is LR. Always remember that LR is 4c in the equation. Okay? The length of LR is the 4c in the equation. So since 4c is equal to, or LR is equal to 6, we can say that the value of 4c is 6. So no need to compute the value of C. So we're going to substitute the value of 4C or the LR6 to the equation. So the equation will become y minus 2 squared is equal to 6 times x minus 4. Okay, so this is our h, 2 is our k, and the value of 4c is 6. So this is now the equation of the parabola that satisfies to this given condition. Okay? As simple as that. For number 4, example, find the equation of the parabola, vertex at negative 4, 2, and focus at negative 4, negative 4, negative 2. So the given is negative 4, negative 2. Vertex, let's plot the vertex. Negative 2, 4, 2. So this the focus, the vertex is located here, and the focus is negative 4, negative 2. So, so based on the given, we can say that the parabola is opens downward. Okay, so the opening of the parabola, that is opens downward. So see, since it opens downward, we use the formula uh, x minus h quantity squared is equal to negative 4c y minus k. So let's determine, the vertex is already given, negative 4, 2, and that is our h, k. And what is the value of c? When we say c, that is the focal length distance of the vertex to focus, 1, 2, 3, 4. So in this case, the value of c is 4. And let's substitute now in the formula the given x minus h, or that is negative 4. Quantity squared is equal to negative 4 times 4 y minus k, which is 2. Then x plus 4 minus negative, that will become plus. Quantity squared is equal to negative 4 times negative 4 times positive 4, that is 16 y minus 2. So this is the equation of the parabola that satisfy to this condition. So that's the way how are you going to find the equation of the parabola given some condition. So I hope you learned something. So please like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you very much.